Whoa. So we've landed, no-clipped into the back rooms. I don't know how the fuck to get out. Look, it's a bunch of, like, I've tried all the doors and stuff. Like, that one's not even attached to the wall. Uh-oh, ran into that. Man, dude, this place is, like, weird. A trailer? The fuck? Well, I no-clipped into the back rooms. What is this place? Like, what the fuck? This doesn't make any sense. Like, I was just flying. And then I'm here. Like, what? Whoa. Well, I'm glad I no-clipped with my quads. Seems like a fun place to fly. Let me see if I can find I bet there's a light switch somewhere in here, dude. This is so strange. Alright, so we found the light switch. This Backrooms, strange Backrooms place. Luckily we no-clipped with our handy dandy controller and our Darwin FPV Cine 825. So let's put our goggles on and let's go fly. Woo!
Goes a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 buckshots to your back to send your ass to heaven. I'm packing Mac 11 just in case you get to test it. Somebody grab this microphone before I molest it. I'm pulling up in a limousine tinted with a gang of bad bitches staying saucy like your mama chicken. Shut up and listen to my mission. I'm trying to take my ass out and make all these other rappers kiss this shit. Don't give a fuck about no ass or horse, man. I'm robbing liquor stores for s'mores and Arizona cans. So hit the deck, cause I lost my mind again. The sickest citizens spitting verbal carcinogens. It's terror raid on the scene, rip your spleen like fabric. Black ops tactics, you want the smoke where you can have it. The most important acid, I'm fucking fantastic. I'm gonna give you the roller, squeeze the Nina in your casket. Now everybody in the shack, back to the front to back. Lift your hands like that and bounce back. Everybody in the place, throw your hands to space. Rock your head back and forth and make that stank face. So all my ladies in the front, start shaking your butt. Raise your blunts to the sun and get spun. And all my fellas back here, put your drink in the air and bounce back like you just don't care. But wait a second, why your girl still obsessing? You suck at first base and I'm out here stealing second. Check the method. When I'm on the mic it ain't pleasant. You say that shit again and I'ma hunt you like a pheasant. She bust it wide open and I tell her bring it back. Like ill will, I still kill while I'm ill of a pill. She climb my dick like jail and make that pussy spill. I ain't trying to chill, I came to kill. I do what I want, how I want it, when I want it. I'll teach your ass a lesson like the hooked on phonics. I'm wrecking shit like a derby, you can't hurt me. You know I leave your whole babbling like a fucking furry. I draw steel and make that shit stank like Ravel. You only wanna buy but you gon' get.
Well, that was a fun flight. Yeah, I'm gonna see if I can try to get out of these back rooms now and see if I can no-clip back to reality. Anyways, thanks for watching my dumb, stupid channel. Shout out to all these pilots. Yeah, thanks for watching. Hope you guys have fun. Woo.
All sense is going to hell.